Hi guys, okay, today I'm going to show you how to create this really cute colourful bird design. To start off with, here are like some colours that I used. You can use any colours, but you need black and white for the eyes, and you can use any colour you fancy to create the bird's body. You're also going to need some dotting tools to create the eyes and of course the white stomach. If you don't have any dotting tools, don't worry. Just simply use a bobby pin that you've opened up and use the back of the bobby pin. Okay, so to start off with, apply a base coat of nail polish onto your nail. This will protect and strengthen your natural nail. Next, with the colour of your choice, paint the bird's body. Technically just kind of like draw a circle-ish kind of shape. Once the body is dry, get your large dotting tool or bobby pin, put some white nail polish on the front. Then just draw a smaller circular kind of like forming his stomach. Don't worry if the stomach isn't perfect because it's supposed to look a bit feathery and bird-like. Just like that. Next, draw two little feather-like, hair-like thingies on top of his head. Just like that. Then draw two large black dots just above the white circle. Then get a slightly smaller dotting tool than the one you used for the black part of the eyes and just draw another two circles on top. Try and make these stand out just a little bit, it makes them look even more cuter. Then get an even smaller dotting tool than the one you used for the white dots and draw two little black dots on top of the white. Then with some bright yellow or orange, whatever one you prefer, draw a dot between the two eyes and then just pull that dot down like that, creating a beak. And to finish off, apply a top coat see-through nail polish onto your nail to seal in your design. And then you're done. Thanks for watching, and please do write a comment at the bottom for any designs that you want to see, and I'll see you next time.